On the 6.2 assignment, number 7 is 80 to the 1/4 divided by 5 to the negative 1/4. Unfortunately, we cannot divide the 80 and the 5 since the exponents aren't the exact same. What you'd want to consider on this one is that 5 has a negative exponent. And what that means is we can move the whole base up to the numerator to make the negative exponent positive. And that would give you 80 to the 1/4 times 5 to the 1/4. Now that the exponents match, we can actually extract them out of both bases using the power of a product backwards. So if we kind of take the exponent out and put it to the outside of the product, we would have 80 times 5 on the inside. Since both of the bases are numbers, we would multiply them together and get 400. Now we have 400 to the 1/4 power, and you want to try to simplify here. If we use our power chart, the 1/4 power is the same as the 4th root. In that 4th powers column, try to see if any numbers go into 400. Well, 1 to the 4th power is just 1, 2 to the 4th power is 16, and you'll notice 16 goes into 400 25 times. If we put that product in the 4th power, or excuse me, the 4th root, the 4th root of 16 is a perfect 4th root. That would go to the outside as 2. 2 to the 4th power equals 16. We still have the 4th root of 25 left over. That's one way you could write the solution, or if you think about that, the fact that the problem started with a rational exponent, you could have 2 times 25 to the 1/4 power. That's a 4. There we go. Either of those answers work. I hope that helps.